This is what I call a slight problem. All these tires and more race stars. Oh, we've got a problem. Now that's convenience, my friends. Ooh, look at this. So, Travis is in the middle of ceramic coating the Demon. Looks pretty flossy. Looks really freaking good. Ceramic coat always makes the car look like the yellow looks different. Like, look how glossy it is. It just looks like a deeper yellow after it's been corrected and coated. So, anyways, you saw me loading up tires and wheels. So, what I decided to do was to do the polished all the way around just for now. And I already had the fronts that were polished, but the backs were the black chrome ones. So Kevin decided that he was going to order the chrome polished wheels all the way around, and then he'll get his coated. And because we think it would look kind of cool, my car with the chrome wheels. So it may look really ricey or it may look really cool. Either way, it's just for the track. And really, we've just been trying to get everything done for this roll race event coming up. And we're kind of getting down to the wire. My parts all should be in. As you guys know, I was running through some fuel cut and some boost cut issues. To cover my fuel cut issue, we're going to go pick up that part today. In this video, we're actually going to go pick it up. We'll install it in another video, but it is here today. So right now what I'm going to go do is get the tires mounted and balanced. So I can get my wheels all the way done, and Kevin can go get his painted. That way the wheels and tires are done. And so here's the skinnies. I'm about to break some shit in here. So here's the skinnies. Obviously mine are already mounted and polished. So I've got the back tires and back wheels already loaded in the truck. Gonna go get those mounted. Then Kevin's gonna take my black chrome set, and we've got a friend Jacob. He's gonna paint him, and his will be done in time for the roll race. Now I could have painted mine, but I kind of think the chrome polish look will look cool. And if it doesn't, then I'll paint it after the roll race. But at least for the roll race event, that's how I want to run them. So we're gonna go get these mounted, and we're gonna go pick up the part that's gonna fix this fuel cut issue. Oh, I'm really hungry and need some caffeine. So Chick-fil-A's breakfast is already closed. There's a fail right there because I really like Chick-fil-A's breakfast. So I think I'm gonna be a white girl and go to Starbucks because they have really good breakfast sandwiches and I can get some caffeine. So I'm gonna cheat on Bang today with some good old cold brew coffee. So let's go to Starbucks. This, guys, is by far the weirdest Starbucks. So the drive-thru's right there. Then there's this gap to go through to get to the road there. And then you gotta go back through the drive-thru here. So if you get stuck in the little gap, people are gonna get mad at you. Like this lady's about to get mad. Oh, no, going the other. That's not a park. Hey, that's not an actual parking spot. There's no lines. Just making up your own rules today, huh? Kennedy, is this true? It says blonde breaks rules. Is this true? Blondes break rules? Huh? Is that true? This is the slip you don't want to get. This slip is depressing. So they dropped off, well, they went to drop off my package to fix the fuel cut issue, but no one was there to sign for it. So they took it, they're supposed to take it to the local office, but it's not there yet. It's 11:30, it's not there yet, and I've got to go train a client, drop these wheels and tires off. So after that, so probably about 1 o'clock, we'll go check to see if the package is there, and if not, someone's getting dropped at the UPS office. You're gonna get dropped. I'm sorry. That's how this is gonna go. I'm sorry. All right, so no Bang, but the venti cold brew is gonna have to do. And bacon Gouda sandwiches. If you haven't tried the bacon Gouda sandwiches, do yourself a favor, go get you some. Ooh, that looks like it hurts. Be careful out there, people. All right, so I forgot I need to do something else today too. This is all I do all day is work and run errands, I swear. But I'm going over to Amarillo Off-Road Supply. I need to get some more of the VP X85. So it's VP's version of E85. Like I said, when I'm at the track, I'm definitely gonna run that stuff, and we have the roll race event coming up, so I'm gonna stock up, probably get about 4 of the 5 gallon cans today, and that should get me through some logging this weekend, and then should be enough for next weekend also. So let's go over there and get that. All right, so if you're wondering where this is over off Amarillo Boulevard in Grand. They actually sell like VP fuels, they sell AN fittings, they even sell nitrous. It reminds me of that shop in the first Fast and Furious where Paul Walker worked.
Hey Dominic, I appreciate what you did.
Really what it looks like, honestly. It almost looks like a Jegs, or not a Jegs, like Pep Boys on the inside. But they actually have some pretty good stuff. Like I said, they have AN fittings, they've got aluminum pipe, stainless steel pipe, any type of pipe if you're trying to lay some pipe. But yeah, it's over off Amarillo Boulevard. Now, Amarillo Boulevard, if you don't know Amarillo, it's kind of like the Colfax of Denver. There's nice parts and there's shitty parts. And we're not in like a shitty part, we're kind of like an older part of Amarillo, but there's some pretty shitty parts of Amarillo Boulevard that you don't want to be caught past dark in a white F-150. Probably not a good idea. You'll be okay if you're in the sneaky cat though, because they won't see you, and you could just romp on it and get away. Anyways, this is Amarillo Off-Road Supply, so we're gonna go pick up some VP X85 for $9 a gallon, people. $9. Oh. Alright guys, so we picked up the X85. I got 4 of the 5-gallon canisters, so probably in the future I'll order one of those 55 or 50-gallon drums, however big they are. I just need to figure out how much cheaper they are and then figure out a pump setup for them, because I know you got to hook a pump to them so you can actually get it into the vehicle. So if you guys have any recommendations, please drop them below. And also, I do need to get a Windows laptop. That way, if I ever need to change tunes or send some logs to Tim, I could do that, because the Windows laptop that I've been borrowing is actually Branson's, and I'm sure he doesn't want me keeping that all the time. So if you guys have any recommendations on a cheap Windows laptop, maybe it's like a couple $100 that will get the job done and not be too slow but also not break the bank, because I don't want to waste money on a laptop I'm only going to use for the car or even for the F-150 when I'm changing stuff in the Forescan. Not Foreskin, Forescan. If you guys don't know what Forescan is, it's a tuning software for the F-150, and I still need to make a video on it. But anyways, need Windows for that. So if you guys have any recommendations, just because I always use Mac, because I really like Apple products for editing videos and things like that, I use Apple. But if you guys know any cheap Windows laptops, that would be good to pick up. A good one to pick up for the truck and for the car. That's literally all it's going to be used for. I don't want it too slow because I don't have time to be waiting on the damn thing to be booting up, but it just needs to be good enough to have the Diablo on there and Forescan and any other stuff that only is compatible with Windows. So anyways, got the X85 picked up. Need to go pick up the wheels and tires, and we're gonna go check UPS, see if they have my freaking package already, because I need that shit. So hopefully we can get the car going here shortly. And then I'm still waiting on another part actually to show up to see if we can get the car going. So it's gonna be cutting it close for the Raw Race event, but we'll see. Stay tuned. All right guys, so in this box is what's gonna fix my fuel cut issue. It has Kevin's name on here, but I'm pretty sure it's mine because it's second day air, and that's what I paid for. They just put Kevin's name on it, but it's from Livernois. I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is. I'm going to make another video on this tomorrow, but this right here should fix the fuel cut issue. You probably figured out. I guarantee someone's going to comment below. Anyways, this should fix it. I'm going to make another video on it though, because I'm going to be installing this weekend, and so now all we gotta do is go pick up the tires. We got X85, we got the package today. We got Starbucks, I've trained a couple clients. Just gotta get the wheels and tires. We're making moves today, people. All right guys, so we picked up the wheels and tires. Here they are next to the car. Let me know what you guys think about the polished look. Honestly, I'm gonna try and straighten this out. Honestly, I don't think it looks that bad. I kind of like it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. We'll get these mounted up. I'll probably put it in the next video or a different video, but we picked up all the polished wheels. So let me know what you guys think. I honestly think with the satin black, I think Kevin was right. They don't look that bad actually. So we'll get those mounted up this weekend and I'll show you guys. But make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, appreciate everyone's support so far. We're slowly growing, but really appreciate everyone's commenting. Make sure you guys comment below. Let me know your guys' thoughts on the car, and I'll see you guys on the next one.